We all know how important it is to keep our homes clean, but did you know that traditional cleaning products can have a negative impact on the environment? Many commercial cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful for the planet. That's why today, we're going to be showing you how to make your own cleaning products using natural ingredients that are not only safer for you and your family, but also for the planet. These DIY cleaning solutions are easy to make and use, and they work just as well as traditional products. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep learning about how you can live a more sustainable and healthy life. As we all know, keeping our homes clean is important for both our physical and mental well-being. However, traditional cleaning products can often do more harm than good. Many store-bought cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can cause respiratory issues, skin irritation, and even cancer. Additionally, traditional cleaning products are often packaged in single-use plastic bottles, contributing to the plastic waste problem. Another issue with traditional cleaning products is that they can be expensive. When you buy cleaning products at the store, a large portion of what you are paying for is water. So, why not make your own cleaning products at home? Not only will you be able to keep your home clean, but you'll also be able to save money and reduce your carbon footprint by using natural ingredients, reducing the use of disposable products, and stop paying for water. Here are the 3 simple, do-it-yourself cleaning solutions. Glass cleaner. One of the simplest cleaning solutions you can make at home is a glass cleaner. To make it, all you need is white vinegar and water. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and shake well. The acidity in the vinegar helps to break down dirt and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. For a nice scent, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mixture. Another easy cleaning solution is a floor cleaner. To make it, mix a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and 1/2 gallon of warm water. You can use this solution to clean tile, linoleum, and hardwood floors. The baking soda acts as a natural scrubber, while the vinegar helps to disinfect and deodorize. General cleaner. This all-purpose cleaner can be used on various surfaces in your home. To make it, mix 1/2 cup of white vinegar, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and a 1/4 cup of Castile soap in a spray bottle. The Castile soap is a gentle, plant-based cleaning agent that works to cut through grime and dirt. Here is a bonus tip to reduce your cleaning supplies waste. Instead of buying disposable wipes, use old t-shirts cut into small pieces as reusable cleaning cloths. Not only will you be saving money by not having to constantly buy disposable wipes, but you'll also be helping the environment by reducing waste. Plus, old t-shirts work just as well as disposable wipes and can be washed and reused multiple times. Also, if you're looking to add an extra cleaning boost, you can add a few drops of essential oils to the t-shirts before using them to add a pleasant fragrance and extra cleaning power. We hope that you found these DIY cleaning solutions helpful and that you'll consider making the switch to more natural and sustainable alternatives. By making your own cleaning products at home, you'll be reducing your exposure to harmful chemicals, saving money, and helping the environment. Remember that small changes can make a big difference, and every little bit counts. So next time you're running low on cleaning supplies, try making your own instead of buying traditional products. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you'll join us in making conscious choices to protect our health and the environment.